Hello guys, how are you all doing? I hope you are doing good and nice. Okay, this is another quick one, guys. Now take a look at this place. For you to spot a trend in the main chart, we have a Bollinger Band and exponential moving average. Why in the indicator window one we have our TDI. That's combination of Bollinger Band and moving averages. So why did I take this trade, guys? First of all, now, this is how you can spot a buy, whether a buy signal or a sell signal. Now, take a look at the main chart. This is 15 minutes time. This is 15 minutes time frame. Now, take a look. You can see the price was going up. Understand? It kept on going up and came out of the closed above the Bollinger Band. Kept going up. Whenever the price closes above the Bollinger Band and kept going up. You can see the space there. You can see the space is created. The price created between the price and the Bollinger Band. You see that we have at least a bit wider space there. Now the price now came down, retraced, and closed, closed inside the Bollinger Band. It closed inside the Bollinger Band. Now take a look at what you do. First of all, you plot your trend line. You make your plot depending on the touches that you get. But I expect you will get some touches. So you can see in my own case, I connected this point and this point. Can you see? I have like two touches. That's point A, which is point A, and point B. Can you see? I connected those two points. Now you notice that if you plot your trend line, now you notice the close inside the Bollinger Band. Now you come to your indicator window one. Now what is our TDI telling us? You can see that the price went above the oversold level. It went above the oversold level. Can you see that? Went above the oversold level. Oh, it went above the overbought level, guys. Overbought level, and you can see the two moving averages, the green and the red, they crossed over there, telling you that the price is about to go down. The price is about to be bearish, guys. So for you to make your proper confirmation whether to enter or not, you patiently wait for the green moving average. First of all, the green moving average to pierce the orange moving average. Do you get me, guys? Allow the green to first of all pierce the orange moving average. That is the signal to get ready to sell. Understand? Because the green is the signal line. It gives you the signal whether to buy or to sell. So once there's a crossover here, first of all, at the overbought level, since you are preparing to sell, there is a crossover of the two moving average at the overbought level. Now the next thing you do, you make sure that you confirm that the green crossed the orange moving average. Now, how do you know your take profit? How do you know your take profit? Now, we're expecting the price to come down to this level. Understand? This level and touching the trend line. We're expecting the price to touch this trend line. Can you see? You can see that we have a major support here. We have a support here at this level. So once the price touches the trend line at this support level, we will take our profit. That's how you know where to take your profit. So peradventure, if the price breaks or closes below the trend line, that means our next TP will be here. TP2 will be at the middle Bollinger Band. Do you get it, guys? Let me explain again. First of all, when price goes above the Bollinger Band, make its way upward and later retraces and closes inside the Bollinger Band the next thing you do, you make your necessary plot. You plot your trend line. You plot trend line where necessary, guys. So after plotting your trend line, you go over to your indicator window and check out the movement of your TDI. Now, in this case, you see that the TDI over here is at the overbought level. And you can see the both moving averages, the green and the red, they crossed over at the overbought level, telling you that the market is overbought. So it will be making necessary retracement or it might be going down. So we know that the market is already in a bearish position. So now the next thing you do, since you have confirmed the crossover at the overbought level, you now check for you when the main thing about trading is taking a sniper entry, knowing when the market is about to sell or buy. Not the one that you not the one that you open a position and the market will start retracing or kick you out of the market due to the small amount in your equity or the small amount in your balance. So for you to ascertain that, make sure that the green pierces the first of all, green will pierce the orange, moving average. Then you can now place your position. Now you check the next thing where to take your TP. You check the next since you are selling, you check the next support level. That's where you place your TP. Or when the price touches the trend line, you take your TP. And if the price breaks or close below the trend line, your next target will be the middle Bollinger Band. You guys get it? That's how this is number one. This is one of the ways to sell, to place a position, whether sell or buy. So first of all, let me share the setting with you guys. Then I can further keep explaining on how to buy and sell. So let's take the settings down first. We'll go over to our indicators settings. Okay. The first one is our fractal. I always use fractal because it gives me proper guidance on where to place my trend line. Okay, we have our style 3 pixel. Okay, the next one is a parabolic star. Okay, we have the parameters are 0.02, the step is 0.02, the maximum is 0.2, and you choose the color of your choice, guys. The next one is a moving average. This is the moving average. The parameters are, the period is 50, shift 0, method exponential, apply to close. You choose the color of your choice. And the next one is a Bollinger Band. The parameters are period 130, deviation 2.000, shift 0, apply to close. You choose the color of your choice. So we head over to our indicator window 1. We have our relative strength index. First of all, the parameters are period 13, apply to close. The size is a 1 pixel. You choose the color of your chart background. So in our levels, you click on here. Okay, the first one is a 68, which is overbought. Next one is a 50, and the other one is 32, which is oversold. You choose the color of your choice, guys. Choose the color of your choice. And the next one is a moving average. I have a moving average. Okay. The parameters are period 2, shift 0, method simple, apply to previous indicators data. Style 3 pixel. You choose the You choose the color of your choice. Okay. And the next one we have our moving average too. Okay. The parameters are period 7, shift 0, method simple, apply to previous indicators data. Styles, you choose the color of your choice. Okay. The next one is a Bollinger Band. Okay. We have our parameters are period 34, deviation 1.619, shift 0, apply to first indicators data. The style is a 4 pixel. You choose the color of your choice. And the last but not the least is our moving average. Okay. The parameters are period 34, shift 0, method simple, apply to first indicators data. Style 3 pixel. Choose the color of your choice, guys. So you can see the trade. You can see how because I already know the direction of the trend. You know, one thing with the Bollinger Band will give the reason why I'm using Bollinger Band, it will give you the direction of the trend anytime, any day. Now, check out, guys. This is the lower band, this is the middle band, and this is the upper band. Now, whenever price is whenever price is within this region, be expecting to buy, be expecting to buy. And whenever price is within this region, be expecting to sell. It's simple as that, guys. Be expecting to sell. So now, and okay, now take a look at this place where I initially took this trade. Now, first of all, if I sometime whenever I want to place a trade like buy or sell trade, I'll go over to my 1 hour, because 1 hour will give me a wider view. Now, take a look at this trade that I took from here. I bought. I told you guys that I will be taking my CP at this level, and that's exactly what happened. That's where I bought from this. I bought from this level to here this morning, and I have taken my profit. So now I am selling because I saw a signal to sell, and I am selling. So now I made this trend line from this point to down here. Can you see that? From this point, on this point to this point. So as time goes on, I noticed that the price closed above the trend line. Price closed above the trend line, and I waited there for the retracement to occur. Now take a look, guys. Can you see? Look at where price closed above the trend line. I waited there for the retracement. Now look at how the look at take a look, guys. Take a look. The price went up and came down and retested. After the retestment, after the price retested, that was when I bought. It went up. So I took my profit at that at this resistance level. Can you see that? Now, if we are to check our 15 minutes time frame, now take a look at our 15 minutes time frame. You can see where in 1 hour you can see where the price closed above the trend line. It went up. It went up and came down and retested, guys. Now, take a look, guys. Take a look. Now, what happened here? You can see that from this point, you can see that initially the green moving average, which is the signal line, closed or crossed the orange line. And you see, it crossed the orange line. So I waited there. I already made my trend line from this point. Guys, mind you, plotting this technical line is very, very technical. You just have to be conversant with it for you to get used to it. Because the trend line will really help you in executing the right trade. So what did I do now? Take a look, guys. Now take a look at this place. Take a look at this place. Can you see? Hold on, can you see? Take a look at this place. Let me get my horizontal line. Okay, take a look at this place. Can you see that? And there's one other thing I didn't tell you guys. This moving average in our chart. This moving average in our chart, in our main chart, is the 50 exponential moving average. Whenever the 50 exponential moving average, whenever the 50 exponential moving average crosses the middle Bollinger Band, it signifies buy. I repeat, whenever the 50 exponential moving average crosses the middle Bollinger Band and the 50 exponential moving average is above the middle Bollinger Band, it signifies buy. And and the whenever the let's okay, take a look at this place. And whenever the 50 exponential moving average crosses and remain below the middle Bollinger Band, it signifies sell. So that's the work of the 50 exponential moving average. Do you get it? So that's the work of the 50 exponential moving average, guys. Now take a look, guys. So as you can see, so now I put this horizontal line here for you guys to understand how I told you guys about buying. Now, can you see? Take a look. The price, the price broke this level. I understand. It retested, and it went up again, allowing the 50 exponential moving average to cross above the middle Bollinger Band. Understand? Giving it time to cross above it. Now what happened? If most trader will take this as M and start selling, but what did he do? He came to this point. He came to this point and went up. Now what the in the TDI? Look at what TDI do. The green line crossed the orange line, telling you that it is buying. Can you see that? And it went up. It went straight up. Can you see that, guys? Can you see that? So most time the price, the price might not really go outside the band. It might not, on all the time, it might not really go outside the band and give you a clear signal to sell or buy. Understand? So from the movement of the moving average and the position of the price, the Bollinger Band will tell you that it is in buy or sell region. Then you figure out your signal from the TDI. That's just how it is. You figure out when to buy and when to sell. Can you see that? So now you can see that I am scalping. In the current trade, I am scalping. That was why I use a trend line, because I'm expecting the price to get to this place and continue its upward movement. It's just like that. That's the technicality in trading. You just have to understand the whole thing and get conversant with it. Someone someone that does not have a strong heart, I don't think trading is meant for that person. You just have to keep practicing until you get conversant and you get used to it and start winning trades. That's just how it is. If we check past trades, you will agree with me and take a look at this place, guys. Take a look at this place here in particular. You will see that. Take a look, guys. You see that this region is a sell region. The price here in particular, the price here, this is a sell region. So you're expecting to sell, right? You're expecting to sell in this region. Can you see that? The price was going, it goes up, came down, It wasn't giving a clear signal. Now it went up again. It could not. It could not close above the. It could not cross over to the buy region. Rather, it made its way down. Now, now look at what you do here. Let me maximize it. Now look at what you do. Take a look at this place. Once the price closes below the 50 exponential moving average. Now take a look. Let me use this trend line. Take a look at this place. Sorry about the noise, guys. Now take a look. Now what happened here? Now take a look at this place, guys. Take a look. Can you see at this place? Once you start retracing, once the price close below this moving 50 exponential moving average, what do? Now you can see that there is a crossover here, guys. There is a crossover of the green and the red, and the green also crossed the orange line, telling you that it's about to sell. And what happened, guys? The price came down. That's the technicality in this game. That's the technicality in this game, guy. That's the technicality. Now take a look again. Take a look again. This is a sell region. All this region, this is a sell region because it's in the lower Bollinger Band. Can you see? Now take a look, guys. Let me explain again. Now take a look here. Can you see? Take a look at this place. The price started coming down again. It was doing a it was doing a can you see? Can you see the movement there? That's M pattern. Can you see that? Okay. Now look at here. Take a look at this place. And now, what did the TDI do? There's a crossover here. Can you see the crossover? There's a crossover there. And what happened? It came down. It came down. So whenever the price is in a sell region, be expecting to sell. Or you can even use your trend line here. You can even make use of your trend line. You can even make use of your trend line. Take a look, guys. Make use of your trend line here. Now, you can place your trend line here. Can you see that? Can you see? And even place your trend line there. Can you see? And those are the breakouts. Can you see that, guys? Those are the breakout, guys. Can you see? Those are the sell signals. Those are the sell signals. Can you see that? Those are the sell signals. Can you see that? Those are the sell signals. Even right at this spot. Those are the sell signals. Can you see? So I want you guys to apply this. Any difficulty that you come across, just put your question in the comment section. I'll be there to answer you guys anytime, any day. Even at this spot, guys. Now take a look, guys. Take a look at this. Even at this spot, let me show you guys. Even at this spot, I see the crossover. Now take a look. I see. Take a look at this place. I see. The red is above the green, and the market sold, and is in the sell region. Same thing applies to the buy region. Even when the market, the price is buying. Same thing applies. Same thing. So I want you guys to try it out, and any difficulty that you are facing, just let me know. I'll be there to attend to you guys anytime, any day. Good luck, guys.